like, what if a flamingo only had one leg and it's another flamingo gave it his other leg?
But then that other flamingo would only have one leg.
And then it would fall over.
And fall over. It's a pretty hilarious joke.
But what if, a coconut had a cone and it was brushing
What?
its hair? Not funny at all.
Wait, a flamingo what? Had a comb?
And it was brushing its hair. No. What if a coconut had a cone and it was brushing its hair?
That'd be silly. Magnus. 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 What's a train say? You don't know. Oh, no fighting.
What are you laughing for? What are you laughing for?
Heidi, he doesn't like that. Magnus, no.